Good morning. In our last lecture we had seen the concept of object oriented programming, right? We had seen the basic principles involved in object oriented programming. So what is our target? Our target is to implement those concepts on any program. So here we have chosen the programming language as Java. So before working on Java, what we need to do? We need to install it and configure it. Okay, so in this video we will see install the Java and then how to configure it and run our first hello world program, right? So this is the objective of this particular video. So for installation of Java, what you need to do? You need to download the latest version of JDK. What JDK is? What? Java Development Kit. So it is a package, it's an installer which will provide all the files required for running and executing your Java program. So you have to download it and then you have to install it. So let's see here what I have done. I just went to the Windows operating system and then I opened this particular Oracle download link. Here our operating system is Windows and there are the installer, type of installer, any one of these three we can download. So if I go to this MSI installer, I can download this MSI installer, and once it is downloaded, it will ask download it. So once I download it, it loaded in our particular download folder, right? So once what you have to do, you have to install it, right? So once it is installed, it will be installed in the program files and there will be a folder created Java, right? So here you can see in my system there are JDK 17 and JDK 20. So any of them can be used, so I will use latest one, JDK 20, right? So once you have run that particular installer, that installer will install your file in program files Java folder, and then a JDK folder will be created, and this JDK is basically Java Development Kit. It will have all the files required to execute the Java program, right? So in this folder, the most important folder is bin, which we are intended for. We will work and save our file in this bin folder. हम क्या करेंगे? जावा का जो भी प्रोग्राम हम बनाएंगे शुरुआत में उसे हम सेव करेंगे बिन फोल्डर के अंदर. बिन फोल्डर ऐसा फोल्डर है जिसके अंदर हमारे जावा का कंपाइलर और जावा का इंटरप्रेटर यानी जावा को एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए दोनों फाइलें होती हैं. यहाँ हम देखेंगे कि एक फाइल है जावा सी और दूसरी फाइल है जावा. ये तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट फाइल्स हैं. जावा सी इज़ जावा कंपाइलर एंड जावा इज़ जावा इंटरप्रेटर. So Java compiler will compile the Java program and Java interpreter will execute the Java program, right? So Java C and Java. There are so many other supporting executable files, but initially we have to deal with Java C and Java, right? So it is installed, it is available in our program files. So now once you install it, you need to write your first hello world program. So writing for this hello world program, you need an editor. Editor is the software or place where you are going to write your program, right? So what I have done, I am opening a notepad, and in notepad I am writing a hello world program of Java. So what is this class? This is a keyword that will be used to declare the class. We have opened the brace and closed the brace. Whole program will be written inside the class. We will discuss this in detail. As of now, we are just seeing how to write a program, how to save it, and how to compile it, and then how to execute it. Each and every section of this particular program will be discussed later in next video, right? So here I am creating main. In this main public static void main. Why it is public, why it is static, why it is void, why it is main, these all things will be discussed in the next video, where we will discuss the basics of structure of Java program, right? So here I am just writing system.out.println, and I am just printing hello world, right? Semicolon, every line in Java ends with semicolon, ठीक है? So class, my class, public static void main, string args, system.out.println, hello world, and then the program is complete. Now we will save the program. मैंने आपको बताया हम कहाँ पे प्रोग्राम सेव करेंगे. प्रोग्राम हम सेव करेंगे प्रोग्राम फाइल्स के अंदर. उसके अंदर जावा नाम का फोल्डर है. जावा नाम के फोल्डर के अंदर हम किस फोल्डर में काम कर रहे हैं, JDK20. इसके अंदर बिन, और बिन के अंदर जिस नाम से हमने ये क्लास फाइल बनाई है माई क्लास, उसी नाम से हम इसको डॉट जावा एक्सटेंशन के साथ सेव करेंगे. ध्यान रखेंगे कि जावा फाइल जो हम भी बनाएंगे उस जावा फाइल का एक्सटेंशन क्या होगा, डॉट जावा होगा, राइट. फाइल का नाम क्या होगा, जिस नाम की क्लास उस नाम का फाइल. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव क्रिएटेड माई क्लास डॉट जावा. ये फोल्डर है, यहाँ पे हमने सेव किया. जैसे ही सेव किया तो हम यहाँ देखेंगे माई क्लास डॉट जावा फाइल यहाँ बन चुकी है, ठीक है. सो नाउ once my class dot java file is created, so next step is we have to compile it, right. For compilation मैंने आपको बताया कि हम किसका यूज़ करेंगे, java c, right. So to use this java c we will open this particular command prompt. command prompt को open करने के बाद हम जाएंगे इस पर्टिकुलर पाथ को, वी विल कॉपी दिस पाथ. इसको हमने कॉपी किया और हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे cd change directory और यहाँ पेस्ट करेंगे. पेस्ट करने के बाद एंटर करेंगे. एंटर करेंगे तो हम देखेंगे कि हमारा कर्सर प्रोग्राम फाइल्स जावा JDK20 बिन के अंदर आ चुका है. इट मीन्स नाउ आवर कंट्रोल इज इनसाइड दिस बिन फोल्डर, राइट. सो व्हाट आई हैड सेड, to compile the Java program we will use this Java C compiler. This will be used as command here. And what is the name of the file? The name of the file is myclass.java. okay, once I write it I will hit enter and wait for the output and the result of compilation. So we see that the cursor is again blinking inside this bin folder. Blinking the cursor without any message indicates the program has been compiled successfully. And once it is compiled, let's see what is changed here. Once it is compiled, you will see myclass.java that we had created, and after compilation another file with same name is created, but its type is class file, right. So once a Java program is compiled successfully, it is converted into a class file, right. This class file is basically bytecode. We will discuss it later on in detail, what is bytecode, how it is executed, right. But as of now we will just see how to execute this program. Now once it is successfully compiled, the second command is Java. As we has discussed, the Java C is compiler and Java is interpreter. This will interpret or execute the program. So we will simply write Java my class. We will not write myclass.java because myclass.java is basically the Java source file. Now source file is compiled and it is converted into bytecode. So this bytecode will be executed. Okay, so we'll write Java my class and then press enter, and we see the output is hello world, right. So what you see here that we had created a file my class, then we saved it. कहाँ पे सेव किया, बिन फोल्डर के अंदर. ध्यान रखेंगे अभी हम किस में काम करेंगे, बिन फोल्डर के अंदर काम करेंगे. आगे हम देखेंगे कि कैसे हम अपने प्रोग्राम को किसी भी फोल्डर में, अपने पीसी में, अपने सिस्टम में कहीं भी हम उसे सेव कर सकते हैं और कहीं से भी उसको एग्जीक्यूट करा सकते हैं. ठीक है, उसके लिए हमें कुछ सेटिंग्स करनी पड़ेगी. वो सेटिंग्स हम अगले वीडियो में देखेंगे. अभी हमने क्या देखा, हमने ओरेकल की वेबसाइट से जाके जावा का इंस्टॉलर डाउनलोड किया, फिर उसको इंस्टॉल किया. इंस्टॉल करने के बाद हमने देखा कि बिन फोल्डर के अंदर दो फाइलें हैं, जावा सी एंड जावा। जावा सी कंपाइलर होता है और जावा इंटरप्रेटर होता है जो प्रोग्राम को रन कराता है। तो प्रोग्राम को हमने लिखा यहाँ पे, सेव किया। सेव कहाँ किया? बिन के अंदर माई क्लास डॉट जावा। Okay, once it is written, we had compiled it java c my class dot java, and once it is compiled successfully, the same file is created with different extension, that is dot class file. And once the dot class file is created, we will run this command java for execution my class. This my class is basically my class dot class, it is a class file, and once we enter, it is given the output hello world. So this is how you will write and execute your Java program from command prompt. Later we will see some other editor and some other tools where we can write and execute our programs without using command prompt. So as of now, just work on this particular objective. Install Java, download it, install it, write your first program, and then execute it, compile it, and then execute it. And once it is done, we will meet in the next video where we'll start actually working on Java, and we will use some other editor for working on Java. Okay, thank you so much. We'll see you soon again.